Man, we're breathing hard. I almost tripped and died. Ooh. Ow! Okay, I actually did trip and almost die. Oh my God.